What's going on, guys? My name's Ryan Snaadt, it rhymes with odd, and welcome to another video. This week we're going to be talking about how to structure your YouTube videos to be more educational and get more eyeballs and grow your actual business using the free tools on YouTube. I've been asked to come speak at conferences nationally and consult for businesses on how to use this structure that I'm going to teach you guys to grow businesses using the power of YouTube. So if you want to learn more about that type of stuff, make sure to stick around to the end of the video and all things will be answered in great detail. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. The main reason I wanted to make this video today is because this can help a lot of people that are trying to get started on YouTube, but also folks that are struggling with trying to get their videos found and actually getting people to watch their videos from beginning to end. So I'll get to the structure in a second, but really the why of why you should script your videos is, one, you can be more concise in your videos and you won't ramble on for 20, 30, 40 minutes and all of your comment section is yelling at you because you're taking too long to get to the point. The second thing is that it's going to help your audience learn more in a shorter amount of time, and you're also going to give them a learnable structure that you can make sure that they can follow. It also organizes your thoughts into digestible chunks so people can take them one step at a time, so you're going to go in a sequential order as you educate on your topic. Now, in addition to a better viewing experience for your audience, it's also going to help you grow your business. The main reason being that you're going to educate on your topic, you're going to give them some reason to follow up with you or to opt into your email list, and then take the conversation off of YouTube and into your inbox and onto your business so you can ultimately grow your brand. And they're going to be more interested to go offline with that topic and learn more in depth through your paid offerings, whether that's an online course, a membership site, consulting, a product, whatever it is that you're trying to sell or monetize on YouTube. You can then funnel these people to that offering and make money from it. You're also going to get and keep viewers over a longer period of time. And the key metric on YouTube is having longer watch time, meaning people sit and watch through a larger percentage of your video rather than only watching a minute or two and then leaving. So by having people stay on and have longer watch time, you're going to exponentially grow your channel because YouTube's going to continue to suggest your videos to more people, because the longer they stay on your videos and have a higher watch time, YouTube can serve them more ads so they can make more money as a platform. And YouTube ultimately wants to make more money, so if you make YouTube happy, YouTube will reciprocate that service to you and promote your videos to more people. Hopefully that all makes sense. Not to mention, having a more professional, structured look and feel to your channel is going to attract more ideal subscribers and people that are going to subscribe to your channel and watch your content over and over and over again as you continue to put it out there. Now that we understand the structure and the why, let's get into the steps and the structure of how you can make your videos better. I've broken my structure into an acronym called IMECHO. The I is for intro. So the intros need to be hot. Hot stands for hook, outcome, testimonial. So what that means is you need to make sure that you hook your audience right away in the first 5 to 10 seconds to engage them and make sure that they don't bounce off your video. The outcome is to talk about what the perceived outcome after watching this video is going to be. So a lot of times just outline what your video is about and what you hope people can get from the video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys my structure that I use for my YouTube videos. I've been asked to speak at national conferences and consult for people on their YouTube channels using this structure to get more watch time and get more people off of the platform and into your bank account. It can be something visual, like text on screen, or you come into frame hot and you're like yelling at the camera or something crazy. The outcome can be what people are going to get by watching this video. Everybody wants to know, what's the benefit to me? Why should I watch? Why should I give you my time? So make sure you outline that right away at the beginning of the video. Make people very clear right out of the gate what your video is about and what you can do for them. And then the T in the hot is testimonial. So in the beginning of this video, I talked about how my structure is award-winning. I've been asked to go speak at conferences and consult for companies about this type of thing, which I do. And I think that just kind of establishes right out of the gate that I know what I'm talking about, and it's going to hopefully provide that same value to you. So as you can see in the first, 5, 10, 15 seconds or so, we've already established some credibility. We've talked about what we're going to be providing as a benefit to anybody that watches this free video, and we've also grabbed and held their attention pretty well. So after you finish that I and the IMECHO structure for intro, then you're going to move on to the A, which is for ask. Now for an ask, I typically recommend people have some kind of soft offer or some kind of offline solution that people can opt into. And the reason I mention it right away in the beginning of the video is because people typically fall off halfway through a video. So before people would get to the end of my video and hear my actual call to action or what I want people to do, I've kind of mentioned it or prefaced it in the beginning of the video as a benefit to them. So common asks that people have on their YouTube channel is to like and subscribe and those types of things, but I'm talking more about a free opt-in or some kind of PDF download or Lightroom presets or something that you're going to get people off of your channel and onto your own platform and get them off of YouTube and into your business. Those things really do help kind of grow my email list, but then also go deeper for my audience and help them in a greater way. Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about YouTube videos and how to make your audience bigger. If you want to get a free YouTube checklist, make sure to go down in the description box below and check that out, or something like that, and you kind of move on from there. So now we have our intro, we've grabbed their attention, we've mentioned what our opt-in is or something that we want them to do as kind of a soft offer. We'll never sell at this point, but we're just going to have a soft offer. Then we're going to move into the meat of the video, or the majority of entertainment and talking points. And this is where you educate on what your topic of the video is about. So if you're doing 10 tips to get more cinematic shots, or 5 ways to get better landscape photography, or whatever you're trying to do, talk about that topic at that point in the video. This typically takes about 5 minutes or so for me. Some people it's longer, some are shorter, but this is where you want to really provide the value and make sure that you deliver on the promise from the thumbnail and from the title. So now we've gotten through the meat of the video, and this is when I like to ask for engagement, which is the E. So for engagement, this is when I ask for likes, comments, and shares and those types of things, because you just provided a lot of value to somebody, hopefully, and they're feeling more inclined to reciprocate that love because they just got a lot of value from you. So you say, hey, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, or drop any questions in the comment section below so I can have a dialogue with you. Those metrics are super helpful for you on YouTube because, again, we're trying to fight this algorithm here. We're trying to get more watch time, and anything that has more comments and likes, YouTube will again suggest it to more people on their homepage. The next step is the C of Echo, which is the call to action. Now, if you don't have a call to action, this is where you really want to think about how can you add more value to your audience than you already have with your video. It can be the ask from the beginning of the video. Hey, like I mentioned in the beginning, make sure to go to the description box and grab my free templates or presets or whatever you're trying to offer as a freebie. You can do that there. Sometimes people also offer their deeper solution, whether it's a full-blown course, consulting, products, you can pitch whatever it is. Kind of my mindset on this is if people made it through your entire video, they're pretty invested in what you've said so far. They found a lot of value in what it is, and you owe it to yourself to provide them something that you can go deeper with them on and provide more value. And if you're not currently selling anything that is your own creation, consider creating something that can help people more, whether it's even a free download or something, just to add some more value to their life and give more value on your channel. If you offer this, again, this is their second time hearing it, they've gotten a ton of value from you in your video, and they're going to be much more likely to opt in when you offer it a second time. So now we've got the I, A, M, E, and the C. There is no H in this acronym, there's just the O, which is the outro. I typically just say, that about does it for me, guys. My name is Ryan Snaadt, it rhymes with odd, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. That's typically what I do. So also want to make sure that you include other related videos. So that's where I typically say, hey, if you want to see more videos about real estate photography, make sure to go check out my playlist up here, and I'll link it in the top here. So something like that to keep them on your channel, give them more resources outside of just your call to action, but keep watching more videos and learn more as much as possible. Okay, so that is my I am Echo structure. I can go really deep on some more tactics on how to do that type of stuff. So if you want to learn more about YouTube marketing and how to grow a channel effectively, make sure to drop me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to get back to every single one of the people that responds to me. I'm also going to be giving away my content clarity worksheet, which is going to be down in the description box below. There are some big mistakes that I didn't do early on in my YouTube career that I've outlined with that worksheet, so hopefully you can learn some more from that, and hopefully use that to leverage your own channel and get some more growth and get some more eyeballs on your content. As I said earlier, this is my outro, so that about does it for me, guys. My name's Ryan Snaadt, it rhymes with odd, and we'll see you in next week's video. Peace!